In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Squarespace. By the end, your online store will be linked to Printful so orders can flow automatically for on-demand fulfillment and shipping without any manual copy and paste work. Before we start, have two things ready: access to your Printful dashboard in a web browser and the Squarespace account that owns the site you want to connect. Using a desktop browser makes the process clearer. And if you manage multiple Squarespace sites, note which one you plan to link for a smooth selection later. First, open the Printful website in your browser. From the main dashboard, look for the navigation area that lists your shops and tools. Find and go to the section labeled Stores. This is where all of your connected shops live, and it's the hub for adding a new platform, so everything related to integrations starts here. Inside the Stores area, click the option that says Choose Platform. Printful supports many platforms, so a catalog of integrations will appear. Scroll until you see Squarespace. Click Squarespace to open Printful's dedicated Squarespace integration page. Here, you'll see a brief overview of what the connection does and a button to start the process so you can confirm you're in the right place before continuing. Next, connect via the Printful integration option. Click the Connect button on this page to let Printful securely talk to your Squarespace site. This will redirect you to Squarespace's login and authorization screen. When prompted, log into your Squarespace account using your usual credentials. If you manage more than one site, select the specific site you want to pair with Printful, then review the permissions and confirm. Authorizing ensures Printful can create and manage products and handle order information for that site, which is essential for automatic fulfillment. If a privacy extension or pop-up blocker interrupts the redirect, temporarily allow the site so the authorization can complete. Once the login completes, you'll be sent back to Printful. You should now see your Squarespace store listed in the Stores section, which means the connection is active. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment and refresh the dashboard to pull in the new status. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're using the site owner or administrator role in Squarespace to avoid permission issues. If you picked the wrong site by accident, you can disconnect from the Stores section and repeat the connection steps for the correct one. That's it. The integration is live. From here, you can continue in Printful whenever you're ready to add products and publish them to your Squarespace store.